Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate your Bank of Queensland debit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and then type in boq.com.au and search. This will now take you to the official website for Bank of Queensland. From the main homepage, go ahead and click on the log on button at the top right hand corner and click on log on to internet banking. To activate your debit card, you'll first need to be logged into your internet banking account for Bank of Queensland. Click on the continue button after going through the on-screen prompts and then enter your credentials to log in. Start off by typing in the customer access number and then your user ID. Also make sure to enter your password for your online banking account and then click on log in. Once you're logged into your Bank of Queensland online banking account, look for the activate card option and then follow through the prompts. Make sure to provide your debit card number, the expiry date for the card and the CVV code by following through the on-screen prompts. And you will then be able to activate your Bank of Queensland debit card online. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.